These are granulosa cells. This is a small, very early primary follicle. So what is primary follicle? You can write like equation. Primary follicle equals granulosa cells plus primary oocyte. This is the cell. This is the potential gamete, female gamete. I'll go to this, that is a primordial follicle. Still in search of good primordial, these are primordial follicles still. And if you try to find these, the follicular cell, primary oocyte, I'll go to perfect example. Very good. There you go. Come on. There you go. These are the follicular cells, and this is the gamete. So the whole structure is a primordial follicle. And imagine this has been magnified about 800 times, almost 800 times. Primordial follicle. Now I have to look for, okay, that is a primary follicle. These are primordial follicles, and I'm going to magnify this one. And you'll see how wonderful it looks. You can take a photograph of this one. This is in between early and late primary follicles. These are granulosa cells. This is the primary oocyte. This is the potential gamete. I will take you to another primary follicle that I have seen, but I have to go and find it out first with the low magnification. Oh, this one. This is a little larger than the previous one. Beautiful. So what follicle is this? It's primary follicle. Okay? I will take you to now secondary follicle. There are several small and large secondary follicle, and I'm taking you there. Here, this is a part of secondary follicle with the antrum. The gamete is missing. Why? Because during the way the section was taken, the gamete was missed. But here, one smaller secondary follicle with the gamete here and antrum on both sides because of the peculiar section. Another you can find here, secondary follicle. This is the gamete surrounded by corona radiata. This is the antrum, and these are granulosa cells. Another, the large one here. This is the gamete. And this is very, very low magnification. I'll go to next higher magnification from here. And you will see antrum. This is the gamete, corona radiata. This is corona radiator. This is antrum. Now this is, say this is a mature secondary follicle. So what will be the next stage? The next stage will be ovulation. And when ovulation occurs, this will be ruptured and this space will be filled by these cells. These cells will divide frantically. I said frantically, just dramatized. They will divide and divide and divide, ultimately filling in the space and form a structure called corpus luteum. And I will show you fully forms corpus luteum. There are 3 corpora lutea in this slide, in this ovary. You have to take it into consideration that cat is a multiple breeder, isn't it? In a litter, how many kittens could be there? Many, as many as 5, 6, 7, something like that. And here is one, corpus luteum, this structure. There is another one, this one, corpus luteum, still another one. Total, I have found 3, this one, corpus luteum. So from this ovary, 3 mature female gametes were ovulated, were released. So each one represents a follicle, isn't it? That means one cell that is fertilized, or that may not be fertilized, And this is corpus luteum. When after pregnancy, when this cycle is over, when all the kittens were born, what will happen? Will they still form or produce hormones? No, they will degenerate. So you have to look at a degenerating corpus luteum. This is a degenerating corpus luteum. Look, it has shrunk in size. It has stopped producing hormones, degenerating corpus luteum. And when complete degeneration has occurred, it's called corpus albicans. And I'll show you one. This one is corpus albicans. Okay? This is fully formed. This is a degenerating corpus luteum. And here is corpus albicans. This is the corpus albicans. Okay? So, we're done with ovary. Now with uterus, that is the last slide, and after that, we will work on the models. Okay? Next week we have midterm break.